Halloween is coming. This Halloween, don't buy a plastic jack-o'-lantern. Let's make one the traditional way, out of a pumpkin. It's super easy and fun. Let's learn how to make it while noting down some useful English words. First, cut out the stem. The stem is this top part of the pumpkin. Second, scoop out the seeds and pulp, the soft, wet part, with a spoon. Then sketch a scary face on the best-looking side. Carve out the eyes and mouth. Finally, light some candles and place them inside the pumpkin. Now it's not a pumpkin anymore, it's a jack-o'-lantern. You can also be creative and give your jack-o'-lanterns different faces. Happy Halloween!